bringing you the news and information you need from the people making a difference. This is Comcast Newsmakers.
Hi everyone, welcome to Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Alexis Cairo. Our guest today is Monica Hasibi, who is the development consultant with the Children's Justice Center of Salt Lake County. Welcome. Nice to have you here.
Thanks, I'm glad to be here.
The Children's Justice Center, their mission really is to provide crisis intervention to child victims, I guess, of abuse and their families. Is that right, Monica?
That is correct. So we provide the crisis intervention for child abuse cases. And what that means is instead of having to go to a police station to be interviewed, the child would come to one of our facilities and we place them in a very comfortable, home-like, family-friendly environment where they would talk to a trained professional who specialize in interviewing children, and our professionals would empower them to speak up and tell us what happened to them so we can protect them.
Okay, and so why, it's obviously a very good model because I would think children feel more comfortable. Have there been actual kind of concrete results you can say, well, gosh, we actually got more information from the child as a result of being in this setting than we may have at a police station, for example?
Yes, definitely. We, before we existed, a child had to go to multiple agencies to be interviewed. And as you can imagine, that's very terrifying.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. And added to the stress. And children weren't credible witnesses because they would collapse under the pressures of the legal system. And so what we do then is the Children's Justice Center take that one interview and we, through our best practices, would work with all the different agencies involved in this investigative process, and we would give the child a voice. So, and encourage so they can speak up in court if they needed to go to court later.
Okay, okay. And April is Child Abuse Awareness Month, is that right?
Yes, that is correct. The Children's Justice Center, we're hosting our annual Cops for Kids. It's a really fun family night out at Sizzler restaurants. So you're going to have your local police officers serve you food, bring you drinks.
Oh, I like
and
that.
bless your tables, exactly. It's so fun to come out and see the police officers dressed in their uniform and contribute to the community, and they're actually donating their time that night. And all of the tips that you give that night would go to benefit the Children's Justice Center.
And is it also helpful for children to see law enforcement in that kind of a setting?
Yes, for sure. And they're all big teddy bears. You think cops are scary and they give you tickets and things like that, but they're so sweet, and they just love to help us out. And it's on April 25th at the West Jordan, West Valley and Sandy Sizzler restaurants.
Great. Yeah. And getting back to the Children's Justice Center, what is different about maybe what you offer that maybe some other facilities in the county offer? What is unique?
Our approach to interviewing children is a forensic interviewing process. And for that, we really tap into what helps the child tells us their story in a very comfortable environment where you're not in the police station, which is really suited for an adult. And so they feel comfortable, they come in, and you can tell immediately. They only stay for about an hour and a half.
Okay, so it's a comfortable amount of time.
Exactly. We're relieving that stress from them, and also the parents who sometimes don't know what's going on or how they should go about handling this process. So we definitely help with that as well.
And are you seeing, unfortunately, probably an increase in the need for your services?
Yes, we serve 17 and under, and our average age that comes through the center is about 10 years old. And sometimes the increase for child abuse, unfortunately, does correlate with the economic downfall.
Okay.
Sometimes that's unfortunate, but we just want people to know that it's okay to come forward and speak up about abuse so we can help them and protect them.
Okay, great. So the Children's Justice Center of Salt Lake County, your big event's on April 25th, right?
25th, correct.
Cops
for
Kids?
Kids.
Cops
yes.
for Kids.
And you can go to our website to find out more information. We have different ways to help out. And our Facebook page is a huge hit.
Yes. Monica, thanks so much.
Thank you
nice
so
to have
much.
You here. Our guest today has been Monica Hasibi, who is the development consultant for the Children's Justice Center in Salt Lake County. I'm Alexis Cairo, and this is Comcast Newsmakers.